this is Ali with EA Home Design. We came up with new project for you. This is the master bathroom remodeling that we done on Reston, Virginia. This is the fully relocating plumbing in this master bathroom. Here was the toilet room. We moved it to the other side. This part was the shower area, and we removed the tub that was there and moved the shower to this area. The shower right now is much bigger. The vanity, as you see, it's much bigger vanity than the before. Okay, and they have right now comfortably 2 sinks and nice counter space here. And we moved the shower in this area. This shower area is much bigger than the before one. We gave them very nice niche and rain shower on top, linear drain on the bottom with different color shower pan, and every fixture that they wanted being installed. The tile are the bigger pattern tile, okay, 24 by 48 on the wall and on the floor, which is a nicer tile for the bathroom area because you have a less grout. When you have less grout, it means less maintenance, and it's gonna make your shower look bigger because they are huge tile, and less grout line gonna make your shower, the bathroom area bigger. And we moved the toilet here in this area. This was before, this was the shower. The shower was super small, and customer wants the bigger shower. This is the reason that we changed the setup, okay, and this way they have the privacy that they want on the toilet area, bigger shower, bigger vanity. It's a simple bathroom, but the plumbing was, the hardest part of this project. Okay, please let me know if you have any question. We are here to help, and you can easily go to our website eahomedesign.com and schedule your appointment if you need us. Thank you so much and have a great one. Bye.